Today's video is for the girls, the young women watching me right now, my younger sisters, the girls in their 20s trying to figure life out, the teens who direct message me, ask for advice. This one is for you. I'm going to be doing a full Megan Thee Stallion glam today. The Hottie era look, soft bronze, glossy lips, the whole vibe. Because Megan is one of those women who, no matter what she's going through publicly, she always shows up done. And while I'm doing the look, I'm going to share some things I want every young woman watching to hear. Lessons I wish somebody had pulled me to the side when I was younger. So let's get into it. Let me say this clearly. We set the tone right. I'm not here to talk about her relationship. I'm not here to give my opinion on something I wasn't a part of, and I don't have all the facts on. What I'm here to do is talk about what her life has taught me and what it can teach all of us about protecting yourself, about discernment, and about not letting the world rush you into something. Megan Thee Stallion is somebody I admire deeply. This is a woman who lost her mother, who lost her grandmother, and I'm in a position in my life that I'm taking care of my mother and my grandmother. And the fact she was also powed at and was put on trial in court of public opinion and was harassed online, and she still got up. She still made music. She still finished her degree at Texas Southern. She still showed up, done every single time. So when I look at her life, not the gossip, not the drama, not what TMZ said this week, when I look at her life, I see lessons, and those are the lessons I want to share with you all today. Now let's get into the makeup. So we are starting with the eyeshadow. So we're going to go ahead and blend the inner corner, because she's giving this flawless bronze base, because Megan's skin is always warm and glowy, never gray or flat. It's always have a shimmer and it pops. So lesson one I want to go into. Lesson one is that this is a big one. Build your own name first. Megan is Megan. She is Megan Thee Stallion. When she walks in a room, she doesn't need somebody else's last name to introduce her. Her name opens the door. Her work opens the door. Her opens the door. To my younger sisters, please, build your own name first. Build your own career. Build your own business. Build your education. Build your savings. Build your sense of who you are before you let anybody else's identity become part of yours. And right now I'm blending in the makeup right now. I want to say been through something, feels like she should be over it by now, right? Adding a little blush, because it's bringing back the softness. Megan always had the healthy flush on her cheeks. Don't skip blush, ladies. Contour without blush ages you. I won't say that, but I would just say just add a little blush. We want life on the face. Megan has been through so much publicly, and the world watch her grieve, the world watch her testify, the world watch her break and rebuild over and over, and the world had opinions about how fast she should be over it. To my younger sisters, your healing has no timeline. Nobody gets to tell you it's been a year. Should be over it. Nobody gets to rush your grief, your heartbreak, your processing, your life season. Some days you're going to be the hottie. Some days you're going to be in the bed with no eyebrows on. Both are you. Both are valid. The world doesn't get to dictate the piece of your healing, period. Going into my lashes, you guys see I'm using that L'Oreal, and I'm going in with my setting. Going in now with the makeup. Make a Signature Smoky Bronze. Like, we're using a warm matte brown in the crease, but now I'm doing my lip combo, which is Ruby Kisses. I'm doing like a burgundy tint I love very much, and I'm using that to outline my lips to recreate the look behind me, and I'm just going to blend it out. So I'm blending. And as you guys see, I love it because it stays in place. And I'm going to use my NYX. It's like a light fuchsia color. And I blend those two colors together. And it works perfectly. And this also gives it mostly an outer corner deepen. This is a grown woman makeup. As for grown women, go to gumroad.com and check out my lip combo guide. Your favorite celebrities including Megan Thee Stallion, Kelly Rowland, Chloe Bailey, Rihanna, SZA, and also check out my Etsy shop that I just started with graphic designs that you can wear on your shirts, your hoodies, your bag, your journal, anything that you guys would love. And I have my Mother's Day. So please go check it out and go support your girl, and let's get back into it. So we have already did the lip combo. We blended in the concealer and blush to get the Megan Thee Stallion glow look. Lesson 3. Protect your private life. Some things are not for the internet. My younger sisters, listen to me. You don't have to post your relationship to make it real. You don't have to make it hard and soft and announcement videos. You don't owe the internet of your love story. Some of the best, longest, healthy relationships I know, the people in, they're not online. They're still together. Every 5 minutes, they have their own lives, their own work, their own peace. They love each other in private. They build in private. Because here's what nobody tells you. When you put all your information, your business online, when it falls apart, the whole world has to watch you be put back together. And that is heavy. That is hard. That makes healing 10 times harder. Save yourself for that. Build in peace. Now, I am putting on this concealer around my lips to make my lips mostly a brat style look that I love. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start blending that in for you guys. I'm going to blend. So Megan does have like a clean look. And she do wear her lashes. I don't wear lashes anymore because I am allergic. So I just have my little mascara. And I'm blending in the setting powder underneath my eyes and my whole face. So it can look like a photo finish picture. My face. So I am recreating her look. And I do love it. And I want to say this is a Hottie look. It's all about the eyes that say something. And also the lip combo, of course. So my lesson 4, and this is maybe the most important one, other people's opinion about your life are not the truth. They are opinions. When something happens in your life, a breakup, a job loss, a friendship ending, a season changing, people are going to have thoughts. Family members, co-workers, the internet, your high school friend you haven't talked to over 5 to 10 years. And here's the thing, most of those opinions are about them, not you. See, people project themselves onto you. People assume people speak from their own pain and their own past. Their commentary on your life is not data, it's just noise. My younger sisters, learn to filter, learn to tune voices out, learn whose voice actually matters in your life. People are going to talk. Maybe it's your mom, maybe it's your therapist, maybe it's the 2 best friends you have earned the right to speak into your life. That's your circle. The internet's commentary section is not your circle, because people are not going to know your full story. People are just going to just judge you, and there's nothing you can do about it. But just be private, live your life, and grow, and just learn your lessons. And now I'm going to go in with applying a little bit of more makeup. And I'm also going to start putting on my hair that you guys love very much, that you guys gave me very compliments on. So that's what I'm going to do now. And here we go. I'm starting with the Even Lace Spray Sporting, and I'm going to melt that lace down, you guys. I'm just holding it with my finger. I'm pressing it down. So, and with this, and then I'm just going to just pull my wig down. I don't care. Y'all know how I am. And I want to say that the final lesson is the one I want you to tattoo on your heart, my younger sisters. Soft and strong are not opposites. You can be both. You should be both. Megan is the hottest girl in the room and a Houston girl who finished her degree. She's a flirty in her music and a businesswoman behind the scenes. This woman has so much going on. She just came out with the hot Cheetos with the pickles. And don't she have her own restaurant? I can't think of the name. And she have the NYX. She just came out with for the bronzer. And also she came out with another bathing suit line with Walmart, and she also is with True Religion. So she have a lot going on, and she's also on Broadway. So she's doing so much, and I'm really proud of her. And don't let things that you can't control keep you from doing what you need to do in life. It's a lesson. Sometimes you just have to keep your personal life private because everybody's not going to be happy for you, and people are going to try to do things really hurt you. So I just want to say that I am very happy about this end result. I want to say that Megan are the ones who let themselves feel everything and still get up. Don't let nobody tell you that being strong means you can't cry. And don't let nobody tell you that being a soft girl means you're weak. That's untrue. People just talk just to talk. So, and also don't forget my lip combo guide. If you guys want this Megan Thee Stallion guide, or Kelly Rowland, Sierra, Chloe Bailey, of course. And I am so happy with this look. I feel like I nailed it. Yes. So this is my Megan Thee Stallion full Hottie Glam. What do y'all think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Everything I use is linked in my shop or linked to the pin. I will try to link it because YouTube have removed everything. But give Megan a stream today. Send her some love. And remember, you're somebody with or without anybody. Be yourself, standing alone, and you are enough. And I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.